Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat and air. It does come with the 520M quick attach front end loader. Tractor has I believe 370 on the hour, so nice low hour machine here. And again, it does obviously have the cab with the heat and the air. Front tires show a little wear, but they certainly have quite a bit of life remaining. It does have the skid steer style hook up here for your bucket connection, which is kind of unusual on these John Deere tractors. Rail guards on the machine, has the work lights up front as well as in the rear of the cab, corner post exhaust. Drawbar and top link are both with the tractor. Got one set of hydraulics back here. Stabilizer bars are with the machine as well. It does have a buddy seat in it. Has a suspension seat here for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Has a left-hand power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. All your transmission hydraulic 3-point controls located directly to the right of the seat there. And then up top you have the radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. So you got a little bit of a scuff there in the top of the headliner there, but overall nice clean tractor. It does have John Deere warranty, which runs into April of 2026. So lots of warranty left on the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.